Hello guys, today I am telling about the problem number 2 of the chapter, that is conic section, and that is about ellipse. The first problem already I have been discussed with you. Now today this is the second problem, that is in your screen. Now you can see here that the major and minor axis of an ellipse is 100 millimeter and 60 millimeter respectively. Draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. The previous one, that is the focus and the eccentricity is given, and you have already drawn an ellipse in the previous problem number 1, and here this is the we have to draw ellipse by concentric circle method, or it is also called two circle method. Understand? So the major axis and minor axis of an ellipse is given here. The major axis is 100 millimeter and the minor axis is 60 millimeter is given here. We have to draw an ellipse by concentric circle method. This is a special method to draw an ellipse. So here we have to draw first the major axis. To draw the major axis given are how much? That is 100 millimeter. 100 millimeter from means that it is, suppose this is 0 to, you can see 100, take 10 centimeter means 100 millimeter. This is the 100 millimeter. So first of all we draw the major axis and take as a 100 millimeter. This is the midpoint. Now the minor axis, actually two axes are perpendicular to each other, so we have to draw a perpendicular line above this and name them AB. This is the A and this is the B major axis. AB is the major axis. Now draw perpendicular from the midpoint, that is the center of an ellipse, the center, and I draw here a minor axis, that is how much? That is 60. We take 60 millimeter. This is the minor axis, and name that is C and D. So CD is the minor axis, 60 millimeter long, and AB is the major axis of 100 millimeter long is given. Now by concentric circle method means here the center O, the center is O. Here the center is what? Center is O. This is the center O, and with center O and diameter AB and CD respectively, draw two circles. With diameter O and a center O and diameter AB means radius is how much? OA is the radius. Draw a circle. Show this. Center O and take AB as a radius. Draw a circle. Now I draw a circle. Understand? Similarly, draw another circle of, take O as a center and CD is the radius, diameter. CD is the diameter. So radius is how much? That is OC. O is the midpoint of C and D. So OC as a radius. Then draw another circle. We draw another circle here. Understand? CD. Understand? So CD is the minor axis and take center O and draw take radius OC, draw another circle that is how much? CD. This is a major circle. Now divide the major axis circle into a number of equally divide the major equal divisions. Suppose say it is 12. We divide this major axis circle. This is the major axis circle into equally how much? That is equally 12 division. So we extend this one, we extend this CD major axis, extend this, understand, and divide this into 3 equal division. Means how much? That is how much? That is how much? That is divide. Suppose this is 30 degree, one division. Similarly divide this also 2 divisions. Actually 3 equal divisions. We have to divide this into 3 equal divisions. Understand? 3 equal divisions. Similarly here also it means that each division is how much? At an angle 30 degree. Understand? So each division is at an angle 30 degree. So take this point and this point also. Similarly here, actually you have to divide it by your set square of 30-60 set square. Actually I am not use here the 30-60 set square, just I am telling, taking the point of these divisions. So equal division you can see here. So draw the line these 2 divisions. Draw a line through this division. Similarly you have to draw here this division. Similarly understand? So we divide this outer circle, means whose diameter is AB, this circle, into 10 equal division, 12 equal, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12 division, and name them. Suppose it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. 12 division. Now similarly you can see here these divisions are, these lines are coincide, divide the inner circle. Inner circle means minor axis as a diameter, this circle, into 12 equal divisions. Similarly name them 1 dashed, 2 dashed, 3 dashed, this point 4 dashed, this point 4 dashed, this point is 4. Name them 5 dashed, 6 dashed, 7 dashed, 8 dashed, 9 dashed, 10 dashed, 11 dashed and 12 dashed. Understand? Similarly these lines divide the minor axis circle minor axis diameter, take as a minor axis diameter this circle, into 12 equal divisions. Now through the point 1, this, through the point 1 on the major axis circle, means this circle, major axis circle, through the point 1 draw a line parallel to CD. parallel to CD. CD means minor axis. Draw a line here to the point 1, a line here. Draw a line here. Suppose this is a line. Similarly, draw a line. Here also you have to draw a line that is parallel to CD. Similarly, in the upper side, within the circle, and with the parallel line, and again through the point 1 dash. This is the point 1 dash. This is the point 1 dash. 1 dash. The on the major axis circle through the point 1 dash, that is minor axis circle. This minor 1 dash is on the minor axis circle. 1 dash minor axis circle. Draw a line parallel to AB. AB means the major axis. Draw a line parallel to AB. We draw here a line from the 1 dash point. Draw a line parallel to AB, and which joins this line at this point. So we draw a line parallel to AB. Understand? Similarly, you have to draw a line from 5 dash also. 5 dash also in this side, just like this, and draw a line parallel to the major axis from this point of the minor axis circle divisions, just like this way. In the same way you have to draw this. Similarly, from here you have to draw the point number 7 dash and 11 dash. You have to draw horizontal line or parallel to AB. Similarly, from here you have to draw another parallel line this way, and from 8 dash and 10 dash also you have to draw a parallel line with AB. Draw parallel line with AB. Understand? Now similarly, according to the point number 1, we draw parallel line from point 1 CD. Similarly, we have to draw parallel line from 2 and 10 also parallel to CD. In the same way, you have to draw lines, parallel line with CD from point 4 and point 8 also. Similarly, point 5 and point 7 also you have to draw parallel line with CD. This is the CD minor axis. Draw parallel line CD. Here we can get several points. Here the coincide points. These points are we got here. We got so many points. Suppose we got the point from 1 and 1 dash, we got the point P1. This is the point P1. Similarly, from 2 and 2 dash, we got the point here, that is P2. Then this is P3. This is the minor axis. So ellipse must be passing through this point, that is 3 dash point. Similarly, here this is P3, and this point P4, and this point P5, this point P6. Sorry, this is P6 point. Actually, this is the major axis, means ellipse must pass through this point, B point. So this is P6, P7. This is P7 point. This is the point through which the ellipse is passing through, that is P8 point. Similarly, P9, this point is P10, this point is P11. P11. Understand? So we got this point. Now join these points with a curved line. With a curved line. Here you can see we join these points with a curved line. Then we can easily draw an ellipse. Then we can easily draw an ellipse. So this is the path of an ellipse, and this is the concentric circle method. Understand? So this is the path of an ellipse. So this is the drawing whose this is an ellipse whose major axis is how much? That is how much? Major axis is from here to here. You can see from here to here how much? That is how much? That is 100 millimeter is major axis. 100. This major axis of this ellipse is how much? That is 100. And this is 100, and the minor axis, this is the minor axis of this ellipse, that is how much? From here to here. This is the minor axis. This is the minor axis of this ellipse. This is how much? This is 60 millimeter. Understand? This is 60. So major axis is 100 and minor axis is how much? CD, that is 60. So this is the drawing of an ellipse with the help of whose major axis is given here, and we draw it by a concentric circle method or two circle method. You can see here two circle method, concentric circle method or two circle method. Thank you.